guys, today I will show you my slime recipe. So this is the recipe that the first one is the fluffy slime. And the next recipe is with using cornstarch. This is the number 2 recipe is the recipe that I just made it up. So now let's get started. Okay, the ingredients that you will need is 1 bowl, mixing bowl, and a mixing spoon. Okay, and then we need some paint. These are watercolor, are optional, and I have these ones that come with the colors of this set. It's not the same set. And I got contact lens solution, water. I'm using Renew, and I got white glue, or you can use school glue or clear glue. Now I have clear glue here, and these are shaving cream, and I got a box of labels and cute things, and I got glitter and coloring. And you need to put in baking soda, or else it's not work. Or you can use the powder of laundry one thingy. Yeah, so let's get started. Okay guys, so the first thing that you want to do is put in glue and mix some color in with glue. So this is glue. So maybe today I will use the clear glue, because today I want some clear color. Let's open it up and put it in. Oh, this is hard to open. You can put how much you want. If you want to do like lots of it, put like lots of it. If you want to do a little bit, just put a little bit. And I'll do medium size of glue. Here's my glue here. Okay, and then next I will put in my colors and glitters. So today I will make, which color should I make? Maybe I will do a color that I never do. Maybe I can do red. Red. Look how red it is. I like red. Okay, now we got red here, and let's put some glitter in. Actually, I like blue color the most. Okay, now if you put something like this, it will not show up the color or glitter, because it will make. So let's put some coloring. Then put 1 drop already, and 1 drop here, and 1 drop here. There we go. This color is for slime, and this color is for coloring. So let me mix this one first, and then let's put another color in. Wow, look at the squirrels. It's like blood. I will do a peach color. Wow, the color is all good already. So, okay, now let's put the red color in. Just zoomed. The spoon is like pink. There we go. Now let's goes here. Then let's mix. Wow, the color's been so good. Well, these are very good color. I should put some white because this one is too red. It's like peach color. I will make it like that. I use a lot of white so it's so thin. Oh my god, this is... Oh my... I almost finished this color. Oh, gotta drop it in. I need the color. Put in, yay! Oh, on the spoon, seriously? Oh my god, it's so stuck. So let's just close this thing. I don't think it's gonna finish yet. So we got that color there. Cute. Just kidding. Now let's mix it. Need to mix the one that is stuck to the spoon. Wait a minute. I'll take the spoon. Spoony, 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 spoony. Okay, I'll mix it 2 of it. Let's try to mix it on the one. Look how good the color is. I like the color. Color is so good. Let me mix it. First, woo, mixing. Oh, it turned pink. Look how it turned pink. Turned pink. Now we got the color. Let's just make the color here too. Okay, so now we got the color and then we need to... Wait, let me put this white. The camera's falling. Okay, and then I will put shaving cream in. Me too. It's almost finished. So messy. Let's just put it here. Oh my god, it's finished. No, not finished. Not finished. No! No. Or else it's not gonna work. Oh my god. Maybe I will not put some foam here today. Because if you want to make fluffy slime, you just put in foam. If not, don't put in foam. I will just try this, not put in foam. And next, we need to put in this. Oh, wait. And next, we need to put in this, baking soda. I just put in a Ziploc bag for maybe it will spill, and put in the box again, because this opening is really, it's not tight. I'm going to put a pinch first. And then I will mix it. Whoa. Mix it. Yikes. There we go. Then we will mix it. When mixing, you will see the bubbles coming out. And then we will add our contact solution. Just try to eyeball it like that. Start to mixing it up. Mix, mix, mix. Let's put more of it. Oh. There, it's starting to mixing it up a bit. Let's put some more baking soda. I think the one that you put another baking soda is the hard one that put in, and it's not mix it like that good, but I think I will use the breeze power. I used it once. It was so good, and it's super foamy. Because that day I buy this thing, and now I just finish it. I think I need to buy a new one to make my slime completing, or I will not do fluffy slime. That's okay. Just mix it. This is neat mixing. This is getting good. Try to do this. Whoa. Yuck. Let's get on my hand. Just it's not stick to the bowl. Yay! So I'm gonna continue. I'm just trying to say that just mix until it's not stick to the bowl. Oh, got there. Sticky thing. Ah! Sticky thing. It's on my hand. It's a monster. Oh, no. No. You need to be fast. No. My God. No. Oh my gosh. I just take this. Thanks for that. To make my mixy. Oh, it's not stick to. Stop it. Just gonna mix it up, mixing it up, mixing it up, mixing it up. Give me the camera. Let's try. So this is our slime. Now let's try in my hand. Yep, it's good enough. No, it's stuck to my hand again. Yeah, no. Y'all know. Oh, I think the foam make it like not sticky. Let me just do this and it's sticking everywhere. Oh no, it's sticking everywhere. Just gonna do this and just gonna do this and just gonna do that, and then let's do it. No. This is good and it's not sticky. To make my hand smooth. Put it on the floor. It's not sticky. Do this if your slime is complete. If not complete yet, don't put it on the floor. It will mess it up. Oh my god, it's sticking. We need the excess one. Tap, tap, tap to make it. And there, and we need the excess one too. All of it. There we go. Then we oh my god, it's sticking. Now stuck to my hand everywhere. I think too much baking soda I put in. Okay, now this is how you make a slime. So be sure to subscribe. Bye.